Kei te whaia a Taryn Ryan I tōna ara reo Māori.
Ko tōna mata.
Koutou ko tōna whānau reo Māori.
I te timatanga, ka hea mātou ko oku hoa ako I te wāhi rereke, wāhi anō mō te kōrero Māori. So we were finding that we were learning inside the class and then going home and not having anyone to practice our reo Māori with. So kua anake te tangata ki te kōrero Māori I roto I tōku whānau. Kaore au te mōhio ki te kōrero Māori tōku whānau. Nā reira, I had to find other people to practice my te reo with.
Nā Ryan I whakarite te kāhui, kōrero ki o tautahi. Timata mai ki te tokotoru, ā kua tipu ki tōna rimarau o ngā mema pukamata. Kua roa nei rātou e tūtaki e whakatū kaupapa ki wāhi ke puta noa I o tautahi. I nai nei kua whai a Ryan he whare, kei Avonside.
I think it was mostly that feeling of isolation. A lot of us, for those of us who are Māori, and don't have the reo, a lot of us are disconnected from our Māoritanga, from our whenua, from our marae, and so we don't have those communities that can help support us on our reo journey. Likewise for tauiwi or Pākehā, they don't have those opportunities to be exposed to te reo Māori outside of the classroom space. And so yeah, that's basically what we were trying to emulate, is having communities for people to tautoko each other.
E hara tēnei mā ngā Māori anake, ko ngā tauiwi pēnei I a Amy Smale, kua timata tōna ara reo Māori.
Just how many opportunities there actually are in Ōtautahi to not just kōrero Māori but learn mātauranga Māori, more of te ao Māori, and have more authentic experiences than just learning sitting in a classroom, you know, to bring my kids along to today and, you know, they can hear the waiata that they've been learning at kapahaka, at their kura, and actually seeing it and hearing it sung in an authentic way.
He kaupapa utu kore tēnei, kia tau ngā māharahara o te wā ki runga I ngā whānau, kia āhei rātou ki te ako I tā rātou reo.
One really important thing is making it available and open for anyone who wants to be a part of it, regardless of their situation. Tōku moemoe, one day we're not needed. Like, it would be amazing if at some point it was just normal to kōrero Māori and hear te reo Māori being spoken around Christchurch in every space.
Ko te mahi inoa nei, he kōrero, he ako, he wānanga I ngā āhuatanga reo Māori. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.